Welcome to my channel. How to connect a Brother printer to a Linksys Wi-Fi router. 1. Turn on your Brother printer. Start by turning on your Brother printer and wait until it finishes starting up. Make sure there are no error messages on the printer screen. 2. Keep the printer near the router. For the initial setup, place the Brother printer reasonably close to your Linksys Wi-Fi router. This helps the printer find the wireless network more easily. 3. Open the network settings. Use the printer's control panel to open the menu and look for network, WLAN, or Wi-Fi settings. The exact option may vary slightly by Brother printer model. 4. Select WLAN setup. Choose WLAN Setup Wizard or Setup Wizard. Your printer will begin scanning for available wireless networks nearby. 5. Find your Linksys Wi-Fi network. Look through the list of available networks and find the Wi-Fi name you normally use on your Linksys router. Select the correct network to continue. 6. Enter your Wi-Fi password. When prompted, enter your Linksys Wi-Fi password using the printer's keypad or touchscreen. Take your time because even one incorrect character can prevent the connection. 7. Connect the printer to Wi-Fi. After entering the password, select OK, Connect, or Yes. The printer will attempt to connect to your Linksys wireless network. 8. Wait for the connection confirmation. Give the printer a few seconds to complete the connection. Look for a connected message or a Wi-Fi symbol on the printer's screen. If it says connected, the wireless setup is complete. 9. Add the printer to your computer. Now go to your Windows computer and open Settings Bluetooth Devices Printer Scanners. Select Add Device and wait for Windows to find your Brother printer on the Linksys network. 10. Print a test page. Once the printer appears, add it to your computer and open a document or photo. Send a test print to confirm everything is working properly. Thanks for watching.